We're Mike and Debbie Kelley. We're easing into retirement, one RV adventure at a time. We're not retired yet, but we're working on it. You can follow our adventures on the Rumble platform under RV Drifters and on YouTube under Kelley's Outdoor Adventures. This week we're at the Logan County Fairgrounds to watch the tractor pulls. The Logan County Fair is traditionally held the second full week in July, Sunday through Saturday. Various grandstand events take place each night, and tonight's the tractor pulls. The weather was cooperating nice. It wasn't terribly hot. There was a little cloudy and overcast, and it just kind of kept things nice and enjoyable.
Different bio starting line trying to get past the anchor point of no return and trying to move that Gale Market leader flag just a little bit further on down the track.
The entertainment sometimes was in the grandstand. And the tractor pulls were over, we got out of there, and just in time before the rain hit.